What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. You're watching ChatGPT guide. If you are new to the channel, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Today in this video, we'll design a simple number guessing game using ChatGPT. So let's get started. Simply open the browser and go to the ChatGPT website. In the ChatGPT website, simply write a code for simple number guessing game using Python and press enter. So here you go. Based on the instruction given to the ChatGPT, ChatGPT will start generating the code for simple number guessing game using Python. So this game is simple and straightforward, so it will take around next couple of minutes. So within the next couple of minutes, ChatGPT will finish writing the code. So I think ChatGPT has finished writing the code. So once we have done with it, we'll copy this code and run in Python. So let's copy this code, and then once we have copied this code, we'll run this code in Python. So guys, if you are new to the Python, you can just download the latest version of Python through this website, python.org, which is the latest versions with 3.11.1. So I have already installed my Python in my machine. So let's open the Python. So this is the older version with 3.7.1 in my machine. So here just move to the file, new file, and paste the earlier copied code from ChatGPT. Right? Save it. Let's save this in desktop within the folder project with name number guessing with extension .py. Save, and now let's run this code. So in order to run this code, go to the run, and inside the run we have a run module. So let's run this code and let's test the code generated by ChatGPT. So as it's a number guessing game, so we need to guess a number between 1 and 100. So for example, let's guess the number is 80 and press enter. So it's saying your guess is too high. That means the 80 is higher, so the value generated by Python should be less than 80. So in next attempt we will insert 60. It's again saying it's too high, so I think it may be 40. Okay, so it's still saying your guess is too high, so I think it's around 20. Oh, your guess is too low. It's saying now your guess is too low. That means the value should be between 40 and 20. So let's assume that our value is 30. Oh, your guess is too high. It's saying that the value is too high. That means the number guessed is within the 20 and 30. So now let's assume that our number is 25. Okay, correct. We have guessed the number successfully. Congratulations, you guessed the correct number in 6 attempts. That means within the 6 attempt, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. In the 6th attempt, we have successfully guessed the number guessed by Python program. So in this way, we can generate or code a simple number guessing game using ChatGPT. So here the code is based on Python, so you can see the code which was generated by ChatGPT. Here we have not even code a single line, So this all code was generated by ChatGPT. So if you are expert or if you are familiar with Python, you can further modify this code and get the result based on your requirement. So finally we have designed a simple number guessing game using ChatGPT.